Hello, my friends, you know what's going on there. And so today it will be some special video because it will be unpacking what's going on. Some times ago, I have took a part of some challenge. What's going on there? It was from some master of leather in Belarus. This man is professional with leather things. Uh, he doing some good stuff, good things with the leather. It's bags, it's wallets, it's some special things. It's big bags for your travel. It can be little clutches, and it can be wallets, special wallets for individual orders, for individual wishes. And it's natural leather, and it's a good quality in from Belarus. And this is so young man, but he has a good vibe, he's so good optimistical fluids, and his wishes so ambitions, and he wants to build a big company for with leather things, and he create a lot of leather things for different people in the worldwide. And I became his client, and so a little time ago I ordered two belts for us, for my wife and me, and it was good quality. We use these belts, and so this guy announced some time ago, month ago, announced some activity, some challenge for his clients about you pay. As I know, as I remember, you paid something around $70 for him, and you will get from him something from leather, but you don't know what it will be. It can be belt, it can be wallet, it can be some little, maybe for a little bag for your keys, and maybe it will be, for example, case for your laptop. uh, and what's the point? You pay some price, and you don't know what it will be, and it will be some surprise. And so today I get it. Give me this. I don't know what is it. I paid for this something around $70, and let's go. Let's see what is it inside. Hmm. Okay. It's not a case for laptop. I think it's too small. Oh, I forgot said his company. It calls Aborigen. So, oh, it's so little. Maybe it's some postcard from him. I don't know. Let's see, what is it? Oh, it's invoice from Belarus post company. So sad. Okay, what's inside? It's light. It's not a tough thing. Mm, what's inside? Oh, it's a good color. I like it. Oh, so pretty nice thing. Oh, it's a little clutch. I think my wife will like it. It's so good quality. It's perfect. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, it's also inside. It's a passport case, I think. I have to see because I'm not sure. Maybe our passports a little large. Mm, so larger, but I don't know. I have to see with my passport. It's so good quality. It's a natural leather, and what's inside? Oh, it's a really, little details with this. It's really. I think it's it's a little. It's a good skill of professional level uh, for different professions. It doesn't matter what is it, but what it can be. You can be some firefighter. You can be so maybe a leather master or shoes master or maybe something else. But uh, if you doing your work with attention for details, and if you will use good details, good furniture, and materials, your things will be really good, and the people will be appreciated. So I see really good quality and little details, good furniture. So really, I like it. I like it. I'm not sure will I use it. I'm not sure, but it's a good thing, and I think it will be used my wife or maybe some of our friends or family. So it was a good experience. I think for $70, it's a good stuff. Thank you for watching today, and if you want, you can order some things in this company Aborigen. I stay some link in description below from this video. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.